Good morning, dear children. Today we will study about important days. In the previous classes, we have already studied about religious festivals and also about the harvest festivals. Today we shall study about important days. Now, there are some days that hold great importance for our country and they are also called as national days. National days, or you can say important days, are celebrated all over the country. During this time, the schools, colleges, offices, and all the public places remain closed. Now, let us study the different important days one by one. So, what did you understand? What are important days? The days that have great importance for our country. They are known as important days and they are celebrated as national days. Now, the first important day that we need to study is the Independence Day. Now, dear children, do you know why we celebrate Independence Day? So, on 15th August 1947, our country India became free from the British rule. Now you must be wondering, what is this? So, dear children, before in the olden times, what happened was that the people of England, who are known as the Britishers, they came and captured India. They ruled India. Now, on 15th August 1947, what happened? The people of India were able to attain freedom. We became a free country. So, before this, were we free? No, we were not free. We were under the British rule. That means the people of England, they ruled India, not the people of India. But who ruled the country? The people of England, that means the Britishers. So that means we were not free people. You could not do what you wanted to. But on 15th August 1947, our country was able to win freedom against whom? Against the British rule, that means against the people of England. You might have seen these scenes in your films, in your movies, right? You might have heard about it also from your parents. So, what do we know this day as? The day on which India got freedom from the British rule, that is 15th August. It is celebrated every year as Independence Day. So, when do you celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. So, what do we do on this day? On this day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. So, not only at the Red Fort, but across the entire country, in your school, if you have seen, even we hoist the national flag. However, the Prime Minister of India, he hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. And on Independence Day, across the entire country, in different schools, colleges, offices, and other public places, people hoist the national flag. And what do you sing? We sing the national anthem. So, the national anthem is also sung at this time. Then, another important day, that is the Republic Day. So, on Republic Day also, what do? We hoist the national flag and we sing the national anthem. So, how is it different from the Independence Day? How is the Republic Day then different from the Independence Day? So, you have to remember something now. On Independence Day, that is 15th August, we got freedom from the British rule. But why do we celebrate Republic Day then? Let us see. On 26 January 1950, India became republic. Every year, 26 January is celebrated as Republic Day. So now, dear children, what is the meaning of being republic? We say that India became republic. So I have just told you that before India was under whose rule? India was under the rule of the Britishers, the people of England. That means the people of India could not vote. You might have heard, right, in the newspaper. Okay, you might not be reading newspapers, or some of you may also be trying to. So if you would have ever seen on the news channels, then they say, have you heard that vote me? So what is vote? You might have also heard your parents talking about voting. So before India got freedom, we were under the rule of the England, that means rule of the Britishers. So we could not vote. But from 26 January 1950, India became republic. That means we were allowed to vote. People of our country could also vote, and we could choose our leaders. Now, if you know the leaders that are there of the country, like the different politicians who are at different positions, or you can say the leaders who are there, all of them are chosen by whom? We choose them. Okay, we choose our leader. In the early times when India was under the British rule, were we allowed to choose our leader? No, we were not allowed to choose our leader. But after Republic Day, we could vote and we could choose our own leader. So in the country, like in our country India, what happens is the people of the country vote and they choose their leader. So every year on 26 January, we celebrate this day as the Republic Day. So what do we do on Republic Day? On Republic Day, the President of India hoists the national flag and a grand colorful parade is held. So in Republic Day, the president is going to hoist the national flag. So you have to remember this. And after the national flag is hoisted, then a beautiful and colorful parade is held. In the pictures also you can see the parade. Now after that, even in the different schools, colleges and offices, what happens? People hoist the national flag in their neighborhood, and the national anthem, the people sing the national anthem also. All right, so I hope you understood. So we studied about the Republic Day. So what was Republic Day? On 26 January 1950, we became republic. That means we could vote. So that day is celebrated as Republic Day. In Republic Day, who is going to hoist the flag? The president. Okay, you have to remember that. Then next important national day that you have to study is the birthday of our father of the nation. The next important day that you have to study is Gandhi Jayanti. Now Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation, and we celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. And when is his birthday? His birthday is on 2nd October. So every year 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Now why are we acknowledging him so much? Why are we celebrating Mahatma Gandhi's birthday? You know, because I have told you in the beginning itself that earlier we were ruled by whom? Who were ruling us? The Britishers were ruling us. However, Mahatma Gandhi ji helped us to fight against the Britishers. He became the leader and he helped India to gain freedom against the British rule through his peaceful methods. Like, he did not believe in fighting in a violent way. He told us to be peaceful, and he was one of the important leaders who helped us to attain freedom, to get freedom. So Mahatma Gandhi, what did he do? He helped India to gain freedom from the British rule through his peaceful methods. And that is why every year on 2nd October, that is his birthday, we celebrate it as Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, or you can just say Gandhi Jayanti.